Welcome to your comprehensive financial news update for Tuesday, July 15, 2025. Today, we're witnessing a truly historic moment in the world of finance, with both digital assets and traditional markets making headlines. Bitcoin has shattered all previous records, soaring past the $120,000 mark for the very first time in its history. This remarkable milestone has sent shockwaves through the financial world, capturing the attention of investors everywhere. The surge is being fueled by a wave of mainstream financial institutions now embracing Bitcoin, recognizing it as digital gold and a powerful hedge against economic uncertainty. This shift marks a significant change in how Bitcoin is perceived by the broader market. Recent regulatory clarity in the United States, along with the highly anticipated launch of Bitcoin ETFs, has opened the doors for a much wider range of investors to participate in the market. These developments are making it easier than ever for both individuals and institutions to gain exposure to Bitcoin. With institutional adoption accelerating and access becoming more streamlined, Bitcoin has evolved from a speculative gamble into a legitimate, widely recognized asset class. Major investment firms and pension funds are now allocating significant resources to digital assets. The fear of missing out is palpable, drawing in a new wave of investors eager not to be left behind. This growing demand is pushing prices even higher, creating a sense of excitement and urgency across global markets. Bitcoin's narrative has shifted dramatically. No longer just a speculative asset, it's now seen as a transformative financial technology with the potential to reshape how value is stored and transferred worldwide. As confidence in Bitcoin's long-term value continues to grow, so does its price. More investors are holding for the future, believing in its potential to deliver lasting returns. Today truly marks a historic milestone for digital assets and global finance, signaling a new era of opportunity and innovation for investors around the world. Across the Atlantic, the UK's FTSE 100 closed at a record high. Strong performances from mining, banking and pharmaceutical giants like Rio Tinto, HSBC and AstraZeneca drove the rally. Despite political uncertainty and challenges in the utility sector, investor confidence remains strong. The FTSE's global earnings cushion it from domestic issues, making UK blue-chip stocks attractive. Investors are drawn by solid earnings and competitive valuations. The index's momentum suggests continued optimism for British markets. In Asia, India is capturing global attention for its remarkable economic resilience and positive outlook. India's inflation rate has dropped to its lowest in over a year, significantly boosting consumer purchasing power and making everyday essentials more affordable for millions of families. This newfound stability has sparked a strong rally in Indian stocks, with both the Sensex and Nifty posting impressive gains and attracting fresh interest from domestic and international investors. Political stability and pro-growth policies following recent elections have further reassured investors, creating a sense of continuity and confidence in the country's economic direction. As a result, companies are more willing to expand, invest in new projects, and hire more workers, confident in the government's clear vision for growth and reform. Lower inflation may also allow the Reserve Bank of India to cut interest rates in the near future, further stimulating economic activity and encouraging borrowing for businesses and consumers alike. With these positive developments, India stands out as a bright spot among emerging markets, offering stability and growth potential that few others can match right now. The outlook remains optimistic, as investors and analysts watch closely for signs of sustained momentum, hoping India's economic story continues to inspire confidence and opportunity. Around the world, financial markets are showing a sense of cautious optimism, with investors weighing both opportunities and risks. However, it's important to note that regional differences and unique challenges persist, shaping the outlook in each major economy. In the US and UK, stock indices have reached record highs, reflecting strong investor confidence and robust economic data. Meanwhile, China is grappling with ongoing issues in its property sector and slower consumer spending, which continue to impact its growth trajectory. Investors everywhere are closely monitoring the upcoming US corporate earnings season, searching for signals that could confirm the resilience or vulnerability of the global economy. The financial results from tech giants like Apple and Amazon are especially anticipated, as their performance will likely influence market sentiment and set the tone for trading activity across the globe. If these companies deliver strong earnings, we could see further rallies and renewed optimism. On the other hand, disappointing results may prompt investors to become more cautious, leading to increased market volatility. Today's milestones, from Bitcoin's price movements to the FTSE 100's performance and India's growing stock market, underscore just how dynamic and full of opportunity the global financial landscape is right now. In this rapidly changing environment, staying informed and up-to-date is more important than ever for investors and market watchers alike. Be sure to keep following us for the latest updates and insights as these important stories continue to unfold.